The one spoon night habit. What if I told you that the strength in your legs, the power to walk, to stand tall, to climb stairs confidently, could begin to return, not in the gym, not through painful workouts, but quietly, while you sleep. Yes, while you sleep. Just one simple spoonful before bed. No, it's not magic. It's not hype. It's a science-backed routine designed especially for seniors, for those who feel their strength is slipping away a little more each day. You see, after the age of 60, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle. It begins slowly. A bit of stiffness here, a little weakness there. But over time, it becomes harder to get out of a chair, go for a walk, or even carry groceries. That's when frustration sets in. The fear of falling, the loss of confidence, the shrinking of independence. But here's the truth most people don't know. This decline is not only natural, it's reversible, even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. How? By understanding when your body truly rebuilds strength. Muscles aren't built during activity. They're built during recovery, especially while you sleep. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, healing and rebuilding damaged muscle tissue. But for that to happen, your body needs fuel. Without it, your muscles, especially those in your legs, can keep breaking down. That's why one spoon before bed is so powerful. When you give your body slow digesting nutrients before sleep, you extend the repair window by 6 to 8 hours, fueling your muscles all night long. No pills, no chemicals, just a soothing, natural drink that nourishes your body quietly through the night. As it digests, your muscles, especially your legs, receive a steady supply of amino acids, the building blocks that prevent breakdown and promote rebuilding. And why focus on your legs? Because they're everything. Your legs carry your weight, control your balance, and protect you from falls. Weak legs mean a loss of freedom. Strong legs mean independence, confidence, life on your own terms. Now imagine this. Each night before bed, you take one small step, a warm, calming drink, one spoon of strength. You drift off to sleep, knowing your body is working for you, not against you. In just a few weeks, you feel the difference. Getting up is easier, you walk taller. Those stairs don't scare you anymore. That's not a miracle. That's your body finally getting what it needs. So tonight, make it a habit. One spoon before bed. Let your body repair, rebuild, and regain its power while you sleep.